ultimate goal of human life is happiness. Isn't it so? Right? We all are trying to find happiness here and there or in some reasons, but we are not able to. Every third person is saying, I want to be happy. What should I do? I want some happiness in my life. I want some peace in my life. What can I do? What should I do for it? Right? So, here we go. Once, a teacher asked her students, what do you all want to be? One of the students said, I want to be a doctor. Another one said, I want to be an engineer. And few of them said, I want to be a cricketer, actor, or therapist, scientist, and so on. Right? But only one student said, I want to be happy. Teacher was shocked. She said, my dear child, I think you have misunderstood the question. You know what the child has replied to her teacher? The child said, ma'am, I think you have misunderstood life. We all desire to be a doctor, engineer, scientist, therapist, pilot, actor, but we don't desire to be happy. And the ultimate goal is to find happiness. Yes or no? That's why everyone is complaining, I want some happiness, I want some peace, I want to be happy. Right? Some people find happiness in some reasons. They think buying a luxurious car will bring happiness. Marrying to a particular person will bring happiness. Or buying a bungalow in an awesome location, prime location, will bring happiness. But what after that? Sometimes life after marriage becomes miserable. No. I am not against it. But today I want you to understand that happiness is within us. You can feel happy anytime. You don't have to be dependent on your several reasons. Right? Happiness is just a feeling. It is not a destination which you have to achieve. It is a journey. So, just feel happiness every time. Close your eyes and feel happiness anytime you want to. Like in our childhood, right? Small things will give us happiness. A small rainy day will make us happy. A small chocolate will make us happy. Roaming here and there, take ride, small ride on our cycle will make us happy, will give us tremendous amount. But now, crores of rupees cannot give us happiness until unless we feel it from inside. It is very simple. And do you want to know my secret of happiness? When I wake up my eyes early in the morning, you know what first thought that came into my mind every day? आज मेरे दिन की नई शुरुआत हो गई. आज मेरी लाइफ में एक नया दिन आया है. आज मेरे संग कुछ अच्छा ही होगा. You know, I open my eyes with these kind of a thought. आप भी कर सकते हैं. And these kind of a thought, it will really help us to feel joyful. Right? So it is as simple as that. And that's why I am here with you all. I have published my channel Smile with Bhanvi with a motive to spread happiness in all of you, to spread happiness all over around the world. So keep watching Smile with Bhanvi. Bye bye.